everyone, welcome. Billy Cube coming to you with an acrylic pour. I'm going to go kind of dark and moody, I think. I'm going to use a grey background that I custom made the colours out of. I just started with white and then added some black, and I then added just a little tiny bit of black and then a little tiny bit of blue, and it's given me this kind of lovely steel grey. I think it may be a little bit thick for my background, maybe. I'll try it anyway. So hope to find you guys all well, raring to go into the new year with lots of zest. I'm saying that, but I don't feel like that myself. I feel like I'm flat as a tack. I don't know why, but you have them times, don't you? So this is a 40 by 40 square canvas that I'm working with today. And definitely that is on the thick side. So I'm just really going to add a bit of water to it. Me out. So okay, I'm going to use my little sponge brush for this background. Even finish, and you don't waste so much paint by blowing it all off if you use the blow dryer. So, and I can go over my edges quite nicely with that. So I'm going to just bring any excess paint that seems a bit too much for this canvas into this one corner, and then I can just use my thing and squeege it back into the cup. So if there's too much paint on it, just it's really good what you can do with these little brushes. There's definitely links to all the stuff that I'm using down in my Amazon link underneath in the description box underneath this video. Rightio, that's a really nice grey actually. And if you know me, you know I don't usually go with this type of colours, but I mean I definitely try them all for you, so the people that do like them and the people that you want to sell to probably do like these colours. So, right, so this is burnt umber. I actually put a little bit of black to send it blacker and a good daub of metallic silver to send it a metallic silvery look. So I'm going to kind of concentrate on this part of my canvas. Bit of a different composition again for these colours. I'll use the last of that up. It'll seem, oh, what is she going to do with this? This isn't going to turn out very nice. But I'm really hoping that the colours that I do mix in here are going to make it pop. Rightio. This is, I call it my champagne gold. It's 50% gold, 50% silver, and it makes the absolute most gorgeous champagne gold colour. Oh dear. Okay, you beaut, super duper. Now I'm going to go for the lovely metallic copper. So I'll put a nice sort of warmth in there. Just wiggling it in. Rightio. And now I'm going to go for, this is pretty full. It is a black, but I added a squeeze of the iridescent medium to give it the metallic look. So they're basically all metallics in there except for the grey base. And always, usually, unless I say otherwise, my base is made up exactly as I make all the other paints with my pouring medium. And the info is all in the drop down box. So it's a bit of a mixed bag, isn't it, this one? It's and I am going to give it the look on the background I'm going to do this comb effect that I did. Actually, I might try it with my catalyst wedge if I can find it. It's gone. I must have it. I must have used it. Must be in my bucket. Okay, I'm going to use this Nitty Nora the Bug Explorer comb. So I just want to do a bit of a different effect on the background. So I'm going to use some of the colours here and do that. That leaves a lovely soft effect. Don't have to. Wowzers trousers. It just is a really nice, I did a really nice soft sort of dreamy effect in the background, like a ribbons almost. So I did this last week with the lots of berry delicious colours and other metallics, and loved it so much. So I thought I've got to try it with these kind of metallics, with the sort of earthy colours. It's very beautiful. Just have a play with it. That's going to be my base up there. I'm going to leave that bit of space. I am going to leave it. That is gorgeous. Rightio. Now put it. Hope that it's still in frame. And now for my next exciting. I'm going to get my little blow dryer. Now, instead of going up on this one, I'm going to go out to each side. So that's the plan. Let's see how that works out. Just nice and slow. Wow, 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 that is absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness, really like that. So gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Just with a bit of a different effect at the top. I mean, me, because I don't like negative space, I don't like it in life, I don't like, I'm wanting to do something with this, but I'm not. Because that is beautiful. It really turned out well. I'm going to just give it some heat. Now, I would absolutely love to balloon some soft rolls in this. I'm going to bring you down, have a look at how lovely that is and how the black has sort of outlined some of these wave sort of effect in it. It is gorgeous. I love it. I'm going to bring you down. Come on down. Okay. This is so gorgeous. The colours really do blend together nicely. That grey in the background will absorb into the canvas and flatten out. But the gorgeous earthy tones with the grey actually look stunning, stunning, stunning. I love it. Just putting that different spin on it. But look at this, how, I mean, just as beautiful flow to it, beautiful, soft, and yet dramatic, and it is quite a dramatic painting, isn't it, hey? It is. Can you see a little bird there, look? Right in the centre. bird has shown up. I see so many things in this painting. There's kind of a snake's mouth open. There's some black coming out of it. What did I see? There's a ghost in there. See her eyes. Wow, so much of it. Oh, look at that. It's like, look at the little eyes like bats in there. Oh my goodness. I often wonder, it's like a fortune teller could read your artwork. Oh, there's a little bear in there, sitting down. There's a bear in there. There is so much in this painting. It's quite unbelievable. Could go along all day and see what it's trying to show you in there. I'm very, very happy with that one. Do you guys like it? Do you think I should do some kisses, or should I leave it exactly as it is? We will see. Watch the end photos. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. It costs you absolutely nothing, nil, zilch, but it helps me. And leave me a like and a comment. I do read them all. Thank you so much. Bye for now.